Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. A network cable tester is an essential tool for anyone working with data communications, whether in a professional networking environment or for personal projects. These devices are designed to verify the integrity of network cables, ensuring that they are functioning correctly and efficiently. Network cable testers can identify wiring faults, such as short circuits, open circuits, and crossed wires, which can lead to connectivity issues and network downtime. They come in various types, ranging from simple models that test basic connectivity to advanced units capable of providing detailed diagnostics and analysis of cable performance. Investing in a reliable network cable tester not only helps in troubleshooting but also aids in ensuring that installations are up to industry standards, making them a valuable asset for IT professionals, technicians, and hobbyists alike. Number 1. Noyafa NF8601's Enthernet Cable Tester. The Noyafa NF8601's Ethernet cable tester is a highly functional tool ideal for professionals needing a wide range of testing features. It excels in environments where varied cabling and network troubleshooting are part of daily work. Although it has a bit of a learning curve for beginners, experienced technicians will appreciate its versatility and efficiency. Number 2. Noyafa NF8508 Network Cable Tester. The Noyafa NF8508 Network Cable Tester is a versatile, high-performance tool designed for professionals working with network installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. This tester has a durable ABS body and offers comprehensive features ideal for analyzing Cat5 and Cat6 cables. The Noyafa NF8508 is a solid choice for networking professionals who need a robust, portable, and versatile cable tester. It's particularly well suited for those working primarily with Cat5/6 cables and basic fiber testing. Its features make it both a practical and cost-effective tool for efficient network maintenance and troubleshooting. Number 3. Uni-T UT685BKIT Network Cable Tester. The Uni-T UT685BKIT Network Cable Tester is a highly versatile and efficient tool designed for network professionals who need a dependable and precise solution for cable testing and troubleshooting. Built by the reputable brand Uni-T, this tester is engineered to handle various cable types, including UTP, FTP, SSTP, and coaxial cables, making it adaptable to numerous networking environments. The Uni-T UT685BKIT Network Cable Tester is a solid choice for network professionals and field technicians needing a reliable, versatile, and safety-oriented tool for general cable testing and troubleshooting. Its range of features makes it suitable for small to medium-sized networks, where standard testing and PO detection are essential. While it might lack some advanced diagnostics found in higher-end models, its effectiveness and durability make it a valuable addition to any technician's toolkit. Number 4. Noyafa NF8601 Network Cable Tester. The Noyafa NF8601 Network Cable Tester is a versatile and powerful tool designed for IT professionals and technicians handling various network and cabling tasks. Known for its reliability and broad compatibility, the NF8601 provides an impressive range of features to troubleshoot, identify, and maintain network cables, telephone lines, and coaxial cables. The Noyafa NF8601 Network Cable Tester is an excellent choice for technicians and IT professionals working with various cable types and network configurations. Its broad compatibility, accurate measurement range, and bright display make it a practical, reliable option in network maintenance and troubleshooting. Number 5. Noyafa NF8506 Network Cable Tester. The Noyafa NF8506 Network Cable Tester is a versatile and feature-rich tool ideal for network technicians and IT professionals. Known for its durable build and reliable performance, The NF8506 is designed to make network troubleshooting and maintenance easier and more efficient. The Noyafa NF8506 network cable tester is a well-rounded, affordable option for professionals who need a reliable tool to handle common network issues. It provides essential functionalities like cable length measurement, PO testing, and IP scanning, all in a compact and durable package. While it might not cater to extremely advanced requirements, it delivers excellent value for the price and is a smart investment for those looking to streamline network diagnostics and maintenance. Many thanks for watching this video.